What is a student loan? Hi there, and welcome back to another episode on student finance. Are you soon off to university or college to continue your education and wondering just what it entails to take out your first student loan for your studies? Or maybe you're just curious as to what exactly student loans are and how they work. Either way, in today's video, we will be outlining just that. Before we get into it, give the video a like so we know you want to see more of this kind of content. Plus, subscribe to the channel so you're always kept up to date with our latest videos. Are you ready? Let's get into it. A student loan is a type of loan designed to help a student pay for their post-secondary education and the fees that come along with it, such as tuition costs, books, and supplies, and living expenses such as accommodation, food, and basic needs, travel. And we all know the majority of students need some cash for a party now and again, right? These loans differ from the traditional kind of loan you would usually take out from a bank or other company for many different reasons. One of these is that the interest rates are substantially lower, and the repayments are not actually usually due until you finished your education and started your career in your chosen field. Also, the criteria to be eligible for a student loan is much lower, meaning that you will not be credit checked, and all you need to apply will be confirmation of you starting your education at your chosen college or university. Differences in student loans in different countries. Many countries have lots of differences in how their student loan systems work, and we will go through a few of the major ones now. In Australia, for example, student loans are funded through the National AGCS Help Scheme that forms loans that are not your usual type of debt. However, there has been a lot of criticism regarding this scheme, as it is said to encourage people to leave the country after graduating, as those who do not file an Australian tax return do not have to make any repayments. In the United Kingdom, student loans are provided by the state-owned Student Loans Company. Here, interest begins on the loan as soon as it is issued, but it is not due for any repayment until the tax year in which the student completes their education. Since 1998, repayments have been automatically handled by HMRC, Her Majesty's Revenue and Customs, to automatically take your student loan repayments out of your income based on how much you earn. In the United States, there are two different kinds of student loans: federal loans sponsored by the federal government, and private student loans that are issued by affiliated nonprofits and private schools. The vast majority of student loans in the States are federal loans, and these can be subsidized or unsubsidized. Interest does not accrue on these loans whilst the students are still in school. There is also a financial aid package available to qualifying students that includes grants, scholarships, plus other work and study opportunities. Many different rules and criteria apply depending on just where in the world you're from, so you should check out your country's student loan website for details on what will apply to you. The thought of student loans can be kind of terrifying for those of you going into the world of higher education, right? But don't worry. Practically everyone who has ever been to university or college has had to go through the same thing as you. Plus, you don't generally have to worry about paying them back until you start earning the big bucks in your career of choice. You'll be absolutely fine if you remember to not spend all of your loan money on parties. But we can't blame you if a small chunk does get spent on having a good time, because your college days are the best days of your life before going into the big bad world of employment, right? We hope you enjoyed today's video and also learned the basics you will need to know about student loans. What course or field of study will you be going into? Or if you're from a country that we have not listed, how do student loans work where you're from? Let us know in the comments section below. As always, remember to leave us a like and subscribe to the channel along with hitting that notification bell so you never miss out on any of the hottest uploads straight away. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.